cracked them, get the shells off, and this is how they look. So now we're going to create a little special sauce. I'm going to put these eggs in here. Add some butter, whichever butter you like, prefer. So I'm going to take a big scoop of butter, and we're going to put some butter in there. This is how much I put a lot because I like my sauce like that. And we're just going to put this in the microwave just to melt it. I'm going to melt that, and we're going to tell you all the ingredients that I'm going to put in the butter, because you want to put it in the microwave just to